All right, so this is the most common homework question I had, so I just wanted to do this problem this way to kind of launch what it would look like to do any YouTube questions you might have, and also just give you a chance if you wanted to do a problem slower or have a record, this is one. So let's just review what we have in the problem. So I always reread that first. So measure of angle ABC equals 17x plus 8. And a strategy that I often use is to color those. So I would suggest grabbing some colors that you have. You can see, so I've got ABC. I'm going to make that one pink. Okay. All right. And then it says the measure of ABK is 42. So let's make that one orange. Okay, so ABK. ABK. So you can already see this problem looks a little bit different because we have the sum. And I want you to ask yourself right now, what makes this problem hard and what's different? I'm going to give you some think time before we mark that other angle. Okay, I'm hoping what you came up with is what's weird in this one, which I think throws people off, is the whole sum isn't a number. It's algebra, and this part is a number, not algebra. So I think that's already what throws people. But let's just continue. So now I've got the measure of KBC, and that's going to be 12x minus 4. And let's always have in mind what we need. We need to find ABC. So we're actually trying to find this whole angle here. All right. So these angles have a relationship. Those are adjacent angles. So that means the sum of the two little ones have to be the total. So let's do this math together. So I see the big part, the total, 17x plus 8 equals the two little parts together. So the first little part on the top is 42 plus the other part is 12x minus 4. I don't think the orange or whatever will show, so let's just keep those set for you. Okay, I'm hoping at this point you know how to go and solve. If not, I'm going to give you another 15 seconds. Try to give it a start, and I will work on it at the same time as you. Okay, now think time, let's see if we're at the same thing. So I'm not going to change anything on the left side because there's nothing to combine like terms. Here I've got a 42 and I've got a negative 4. So 42 minus 4 is 38 and that 12x is the same. Hoping at this point you can give it a solve, but let's just do it together in case you can't. Again, this is some algebra pieces, so if you need more review, talk to me. There's a couple of good Khan Academy pieces, or I'm happy to sit with you after school, before school. Right here, let's get all the x's on one side and all the numbers on the other. So opposite of adding 12x would be subtracting. So I'll do that over here. So 17 is 5x plus 8 equals 38. I'm doing one step at a time, just not make sure I see all of it clearly. Okay, we still can't solve for x because it's not alone, so now I'm going to minus 8 from each side. I've got 5x equals 30. Okay, divide by 5, divide by 5, x equals 6. All right, are we done with the problem? Hopefully you're saying to yourself, no. This gives us the value of x, but that doesn't give us any of the angles. The only angle we have right now, that one we had was 42. So if I want to find that pink one here, I have x, I have this, so let's go ahead and solve this. 17 times the value of x, which is 6, plus 8 is going to be what we have. So let's solve that together. And I'm hoping what you just got was 110. That is the whole value. Let's check to make sure it works by doing that yellow one. So let's just do this one over here to double check. So I've got 12 times 6 minus 4 in this one. So let's check together. That's going to be 68. So this is 68 and this is 42. Let's see. 42 and 68. Sure enough, we are good to go. That is 110 as well. So that's a good way to check. Again, overall in the problem, strategy. 1, color code your angles. You can always use color. 2, write an equation, matching how the color maps. 3, solve using algebra to get the value of x. 4, use whatever value of x you have to plug back into whatever equation it is you need. And in this case, we're trying to find the measure of angle C. So we know the measure of angle EBC equals 110 degrees.